Brian and the Magic Mirror. Every Saturday, Brian looked forward to his grandmother's visit. She always brought something special, a gift she had made herself, a knitted scarf, a carved toy, or a colorful puzzle, each one carefully crafted just for him. Brian cherished these gifts, though sometimes he wished for toys from the store. One afternoon, Brian shared his thoughts with his friend Leo. "My grandmother always brings me gifts, but sometimes I wish they were toys from the store." Leo thought for a moment, then said, "Why don't you just tell her you don't like her gifts? Maybe she'll bring you something better." Brian hesitated. He loved his grandmother deeply and didn't want to hurt her feelings, but Leo's words echoed in his mind. Finally, he decided to be honest, even if it felt a little wrong. The next Saturday, Brian nervously told his grandmother, "I don't really like the gifts you bring, Grandma. Sometimes I even give them to my friends." His grandmother's smile faded. She placed the gift quietly on the table and left without a word, her heart heavy with sadness. That night, Brian couldn't sleep. He kept seeing his grandmother's sad face. As he lay there, the mirror on his wall began to glow with a strange, shimmering light. Brian sat up, his heart pounding, and heard a voice call his name. "Brian." The voice came from the mirror itself. "I am the magic mirror of truth," it said. "Would you like to see the truth of your words?" Brian nodded slowly, both curious and a little afraid. The mirror showed Brian a vision of his grandmother alone in her cottage, putting away her knitting supplies. She looked heartbroken. "I thought Brian loved the gifts I made just for him," she whispered sadly. Brian felt his heart sink. Brian realized how deeply his words had hurt his grandmother. He understood now that the gifts weren't just toys, they were acts of love, made just for him. The next morning, Brian ran to his grandmother's house, a small bouquet of flowers in his hands. He hugged her tightly, whispering, "I'm so sorry, Grandma. I love your gifts, and I didn't mean to hurt you." His grandmother's face softened, and she hugged him back. "Thank you for telling me, Brian. Just remember, there's always a way to be honest with kindness." Brian felt his heart fill with warmth, knowing that he was truly forgiven. From that day on, Brian's grandmother sometimes included a small toy from the store, along with her handmade gifts. And Brian learned to treasure each one, knowing they were given with love. The magic mirror had returned to wherever it came from, leaving Brian with a valuable lesson. Honesty and kindness keep hearts happy and family bonds strong. And Brian knew he'd never forget it. Brian learned that a kind heart and thoughtful words can keep family bonds strong and fill life with joy.